Hey yo, what is up everyone, it's SNT here and welcome back for a brand new video. Today I'm going to be checking out your guys' bikes because I was supposed to make a video about my Grom today, but sadly I crashed it today once again, and I might make a video when I reveal the new look of the bike because it has gotten a little bit of a restyle. So once that is all done, I will show the Grom again because it kinda happened something when I was out stunt riding, fixed the bike up, and then 5 minutes after it was fixed, crashed it again, and now it's back in the garage again. So yeah, that's a story for another video. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that. But that's not the point of this video. I'm gonna check out your guys' bikes today, so I'm really excited. Hope you guys are as well. And we're just gonna check out the Gmail right here, see what you guys submitted. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, which is mental. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let's get into the first submission. I'm checking out my mail right here. We have 25 bikes right now. I only had this post out for a few hours now. I didn't want to wait too long, and if you guys submitted after this and your bike did not get in this video, I'm sorry, but I might make a second one. Let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, let's just check this out. Let's just start with this first submission we got. Right here we got one from EMIL, and it's a 2009 GILERA SMT. It has a TECNIGAS ENOX exhaust, 17.5mm carburetor, and it tops about 80 km an hour, and it got some styling stuff as well. So let's just check out this bike right here. Yo, that's a pretty cool bike. I mean, it's a GILERA SMT, pretty stock. We got the polished rims right there, looking really cool, and we also have the V-Force free headlight, I think it's called. But let's just check out the other pictures right here. Yo, what? Oh, okay, so I actually said on Instagram that you had to submit before and after pictures. So this is the before, and this is the after. Okay, now it makes sense. Dude, this thing is sick. The green spoke skins on the black, maybe a little bit more green accents to it would be really cool. But I really love the polished chrome rims with the lime green spoke skins. That looks mint. And the black plastics and stuff. The only thing I would like to recommend to you is maybe add some type of color, because it's just super black the rest of the bike. You really nailed the rims and stuff, and also the headlight and everything looks super clean. But I would definitely recommend just adding some more green details to it. That would be really cool in my opinion, and it doesn't have to be anything special. Maybe just the clutch lever and the brake lever and stuff like that. Or just adding something green on this. Maybe a black seat cover with like green stripes on it would be pretty cool. Just something to keep the color scheme consistent and just eliminate some blacks, just add some details to it. And this bike will be really cool. I think it included one more picture. Yo, okay, so yeah, this looks really cool. Like, this is a super clean bike. Maybe change out the black and red grips to black and green so they fit the color scheme a little bit better. But I mean, it's so clean. Like, maybe polish up the exhaust and stuff. But I mean, overall, this is a super clean bike. I'm usually not a big fan of blackout bikes. It usually turns out to be pretty boring. But definitely added that touch of personality with the green spoke skins and the chrome polished rims, which looks really coul. And yeah, as I say, great job with this rebuild. I mean, from this to this, I mean, it's super cool, super clean build. I don't really have anything more to say than add some green details, but other than that, the bike looks mint. Big shout out to you, man. Really cool rebuild, and thanks for submitting some pictures for this video. Alright, so we've done that. Let's just take some random one right here. A 2003 Yamaha AEROX that is rebuilt in 2009. He actually has a YouTube video on this. We're not going to really check that out today. I'm just mainly focusing on like looking at the pictures and stuff. Wait, what? It says Metro Kit, but it doesn't say what it is. So yeah, there's something Metro Kit on this bike. It has a 70cc stage 6 cylinder, Hebo variator kit, 5g rollers, weights, whatever you want to say, and 19mm carburetor. So I think it has a Metro Kit exhaust, maybe that might be what it is. So this is how it looked before. Like a normal Yamaha AEROX, black, boring, you know what I mean. And then he turned it into this beast right here. I think I've seen this before. Super clean build. The white and blue, just such a clean color combo. If you're gonna go for a clean look, you kept it consistent throughout the bike, as I can see. Yo, okay, you got some stage 6 decals here. Oh yeah, Metro Kit you get the Metro Kit exhaust, looks really cool. And I love the fact that you kept consistent with the white and blue color scheme. I mean, that's just really cool in my opinion. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the orange like stage 6 star logos on this bike because it doesn't really match the color theme. But other than that, I think the bike is super cool. If I would suggest something, maybe remove the stage 6, not the stage 6 text, because I think that fits pretty good, because you use stage 6 parts, but maybe just remove the stars. In my personal preference, that might look really cool in your bike, but I think that like kind of like, you know, sticks out a little bit. And also polish up the exhaust, super easy. Take a Scotch-Brite wheel and then take some like soft sandpaper, sand it down or something, a polish wheel, depending on what material the exhaust is made of, and then use some clear coat on that, heat resistant, and you're all good and will look super cool. But I mean, in general, this is a crazy transformation. The bike looks super clean, and I'm pretty sure it moves with that setup. So yeah, big ups to this transformation, really clean build, and thanks for submitting this awesome Yamaha AEROX. So let's see, let's just take a random one right here. So here we go, it's a Yamaha DT50, so it's a 50cc moped, it's a 2008 with a drilled CDI box. I definitely recommend getting an actual unrestricted CDI box, because if you drill, like people like take this CDI box and it has like the rev limiter in there, and they drill it and then that rev limiter disappears. But if you get water in the CDI box and something, I don't really know if you have like sealed it and stuff, but if you haven't, can get water in there and can mess up your ignition. Just better get an actual unrestricted CDI. Just throwing it out there to anyone. It's paid a little bit extra. I think it's like $50 for a CDI box, but it's your ignition. It's super important, so I definitely recommend doing it. Other than that, you got an unrestricted exhaust, but you'll soon get a performance exhaust, and it tops about 70 on the GPS, which is, I mean, for a moped, that's good. So as always, check out the before. Yeah, it's a really rundown DT50. I would love to do a build on one of these bikes sometime. I mean, yeah, it's super rundown, and then we're checking out the, yo, that's clean. I love the KTM plastics. I don't know what this mirror is doing right there, but other than that, I mean, it looks really clean, and I love this look of the bike. I just like how you kept it like black and red. It looks really cool, and I think it will look really cool if you add a performance exhaust that's a little bit shiny on here. It's a big transformation, and I just like how you did it. It's just, maybe this mirror, add some underlaying mirrors. You can find it pretty cheap on a few websites, but other than that, despite the mirror, this bike looks really clean in my opinion. I really like the KTM radiator shrouds. They look really cool, and it's just, the bike is just clean in my opinion. Of course, you can add a few more red details and stuff, polish up the rims, but yeah, it looks really cool. Big transformation, and I mean, you made a black bike look cool. So yeah, big ups on this. Of course, you have a little bit to go, but I think the tuning exhaust will look mint, and some new mirrors and stuff like that. But I think this bike is really cool in my opinion, and I would love personally to build a Yamaha DT. It's actually kind of fun to see you guys' bikes. So let's see here. So Alex right here has a CH Racing, which is, if you don't know, it's a Husqvarna Supermoto / Enduro Husqvarna SM 125cc bikes. There's like this brand called CH Racing. They take those bikes and make replicas of them, and they're pretty cool mopeds. There's like 125cc frame and forks and everything with 50cc engine. So yeah, he had painted 2-component paint, which is really good. You should always use high quality paint. Setup is 50cc Gianelli exhaust, unrestricted CDI box, and 1253 gearing. So that's kind of a balanced gearing. You still have some torque, but it's a pretty good top speed as well. So here we have some before pictures. I mean, it looks really worn down. That looks really worn down. And now, yo, bro, what? That is so clean. I love the white, black, and red look. I think that's how they are from factory, like the actual Husqvarnas. But bro, that looks super clean. I mean, this bike right here, your big ups to you, man. You definitely nailed this one. This one looks insane. I love this look. How you combine the colors. Nothing really like sticks out. Like, there's nothing I have to say about this. This bike looks insane. Like, that feeling when you look at a bike and you're like, damn, that's cool. I want to build that. I want to have that bike. This is that feeling, dude. This bike, perfect. I have nothing to say about it. Amazing, amazing transformation. And if someone is from Finland and wants to get an amazing CH Racing, I mean, it's for sale. I don't know where you buy it, but it's for sale. Oh, here we have a picture of the engine as well. Yo, I mean, you definitely nailed it. I mean, that is clean. I definitely need to make another video about this, because this is really fun. This is actually my first reactions on this. So let's just do this one right here. Okay, so BKF Moto. The bike is a 125 that's converted to a 135cc. It's a 4-stroke. This is not done yet. I will fix the rims. Okay, I suggest your color. I will also put on a AKRAPOVIC, which is shown in the picture. Lastly, I will purchase a new clutch lever and front brake lever. I forgot to mention that the engine is completely forged. This bike is really fast for 125. It has about 30 horsepower. Where do you get all this power from with a 4-stroke? Like, it's a 125. You got 10 more cc. It's a 135 then. So 135 cc. Like, where did you get all the power? Like, how did it get 30 horsepower? But that's really cool. I wish my grandma had that. 30 wheel. Okay, well, this is pretty cool. It weighs 94 kilos. This is a really fun bike and good for stunts and wheelers. I bet, dude, it's crazy. These bikes right here are really cool. They're super clean stock. I mean, the new bikes that comes out right now, I feel like most of them are so clean, like in the stock condition, they don't really have to do anything with them, except Derby Standards. They are like they are, but for all the other brands, I feel like they're super clean and just it's nice overall. So you have a nice AKRAPOVIC muffler going on. I mean, I'm just like, this is also another bike I looked into. It's just super clean, super amazing. It's well done, hands down. One of the cleanest, like 125s Supermotos, but I have no clue how you got 30 horsepower out of a stock engine. Like, let me know in the comment section down below, how did you get 30 horsepower out of a 135cc engine? Like, it's 4-stroke, so I don't know, like, that makes no sense in my head. And I also wanted to suggest a color for the rims. Black looks good. Maybe if you get like a nice red or blue color, it would look super cool. So if you paint in the rims, go with, I wouldn't go like 2 colors on the wheels. I would go 1 solid color on the entire wheel, or get wheel graphics, but definitely use the red or the blue in those wheels. It's all up to you. Really cool model, really cool bike, and big ups on that. I'm just gonna do one more. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, just let me know that in the comment section down below. But yeah, this email came in right here, like legit, like 1 minute ago. So let's just do that one because he sent it in perfect timing. Oh yeah, this is actually Moto Tunisia or something like that. I'm sorry if I butchered that, but a big moped tuning web Instagram page. I definitely recommend checking it out. Really cool guy. I've seen this bike before. Crazy like makeover. So we're just gonna take a look at this. So this is how it looked before. It's a normal black Yamaha DT50. Nothing special. It's a little bit tuned and stuff. It's an 06 model. But then he added this graphics kit, and even though you're still missing the rear fender, bro, like I don't know what that rear fender, where that rear fender went. It looks really cool. You have those polished rims, I feel like, and then you have this really nice black and red graphics kit. I mean, like, look at this. This is how the bike looked before. At least you had a rear fender. I mean, that's a big ups on that one, but it's like a black, boring bike. This is what I mean. Like, when people make the bike black and just black it out completely, it just looks boring. I mean, it looks cool. Like, don't get me wrong. I also have blackout bikes. I have about 2 of them, and I love them. But they kind of like, if you don't add like personal touches, it kind of gets boring. So this is just how much a graphics kit can do. Like, that's crazy. Really cool bike in my opinion. I would like to have this bike because it just looks so cool. And yeah, so it's a really cool bike. Yeah, it just looks so cool. Like, I just want to build a Yamaha DT50 right now because they're a pain in the ass to work on because the frame is like, I don't know, the frame is weird on those, but super cool bike. I think we're going to end it right here because we have so many submissions, and if I'm gonna do every single one in this video, it will take like 2 hours, so we're already going for like half an hour, so I think we're gonna cut it right here. If you guys want to see a part 2, let me know that in the comment section down below, and if you want to submit your bike to have a chance to get featured, I will leave all the stuff in the description so you can check that out. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, which is mental. I pretty much never thought I would say that, but I'm really excited. Hope you guys are as well. And until next time, remember, stay awesome, be positive. It's been Weston T, and I'm out, and I'll see you in the next one.